In this video, I will walk you through the process of cleaning up your data by bulk deleting test submission entries from your Typeform dashboards. This is an essential skill for anyone who needs to clear out trial data or dummy entries before official launch to ensure that your analytics remain accurate and professional. To get started, you first need to open your specific form and navigate to the Results tab, which is located clearly at the top of your screen. Once you are inside the Results section, you will see several options available, and you should click on the Responses sub-navigation tab to view your data table. This table displays all the information submitted by your users. If you need to remove multiple entries at once, look for the Master checkbox, which is located in the upper left corner of the table header. When you click this Master checkbox, it automatically highlights all of the visible entries on the current page. Keep in mind that Typeform allows you to select up to 100 entries at a maximum on a single page at one time. After you have selected the entries you no longer need, look toward the bottom of the layout interface, where a specialized menu will appear. You will see a trash icon there, and you should click it to initiate the removal process. Because this action cannot be undone, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen for security. You will need to either type a confirmation word or click the Confirm button to finalize the permanent deletion of those records. Once you finish this step, your dashboard will be refreshed, and those unwanted test submissions will be gone for good. This method is incredibly efficient for managing large datasets and keeping your workspace organized. Just remember to be careful before confirming the final step so you do not accidentally remove any important real submissions.